Hello everyone and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today, as I promised, I'm going to be talking about Etsy shop, and well, obviously I'm not going to explain how to sell on Etsy because I was going to make a video about how to sell on Etsy, but then I've realized that okay, well, there are thousands, maybe millions of really good videos on YouTube about how to sell on Etsy, how you can make money on Etsy. But then obviously I'm going to share my own experience and I'm going to tell you exactly what's the best idea to sell on Etsy and what we're selling really good on Etsy and what we're not selling on Etsy after maybe a year or two having the account, and we're not selling those things that we thought we might sell. Right, so it's kind of like an ad for our shop. So if you don't want to watch this video and see what we're selling on Amazon, what we're selling on Etsy, you can just leave right now. In fact, you don't have to watch this video, but then obviously what I'm going to tell you is just it could be just a normal tip to give you the idea what to sell and what not to sell. So it's just because I've promised you I would make this video. Right, so let's just go ahead and start. I've been watching different videos on YouTube about people who are selling on Etsy and making maybe millions of pounds or dollars on Etsy, but personally we don't have much listed on our Etsy shop because we're literally just doing a cosmetics business. So if you've been watching my previous videos on YouTube channel, my channel, I've been speaking about what we're selling on Amazon, eBay, OnBuy. So Etsy is literally our handicrafts and handmade stuffs that we're selling. We don't have much listed in there except for a few really expensive rugs, handmade rugs. So obviously I'm just going to show you what we're selling really good. I've got an example right here. So you see these kind of tablecloths. This one is a very small version. We've got bigger ones that we're selling. You can see it in here in the picture. So obviously these tablecloths were one of our bestseller products on Etsy. Well, obviously we're selling from Etsy UK. You can definitely find these, but I think most people would know I'm Persian, so I can find these and the source of these tablecloths really good. But then obviously there are maybe millions of people selling these tablecloths in different styles, botica styles. And then also what I've been seeing a lot of people saying that they're selling really good on Etsy is jewelry. So this is actually something that I've made by myself, like maybe years ago. I'm not sure how many years ago, but it's literally it's just like jewelry's selling well apparently. But then yeah, apparently jewelries are selling really good on Etsy. I've got some stuffs in here as well, which we do sell on our Etsy shop. I'm gonna show you what they are. So you see these friendship, they call these friendship bracelets, which we do have them as well on our Etsy shops. This is a really long one. Well, I've been seeing a lot of people are selling it for really good prices. You can find different styles. And then like this one that I've got, it's another bracelet as well, which we do sell on Etsy. However, we haven't sold yet any. It's really I think one of the platforms that you have to practice be a very patient person is Etsy. And if you want to consider it as your main source of income, don't consider Etsy as the main source of your income. It depends really. If you have got more connections and you know a lot of people and you can just send the link of your Etsy shop, then you need to have a very good social media marketing management to make sure if you're selling anything on Etsy, then you would have to put it maybe on your Facebook and then maybe Instagram. So that's actually what we're doing at the moment. Not Facebook, I think, but we've got Instagram. I think we do have a Facebook as well. I can just put the link in the description. I forgot. It's just because it's running a business like cosmetics business and then handicraft businesses sometimes gets really confusing. You don't really know what kind of content to make for each, and so you need to be a very creative person as well. Right, so I'm going to show you what else we're selling. This is literally my favorite stuff. As you can see, it's like so it's like all made out of copper. You can see it inside. It's literally, I think, what I got on my last trip to Iran, this is all handmade. All the flowers, all the designs you see in here, it's all been made by hand. And this is the lid, literally you can see it, and you can see it's made out of copper. So that's it. This little thing is also listed on our Etsy shop if you want to have a look, but also I know that there are millions of, maybe thousands of people are selling things like this, handmade stuff. But when you look at it, each item's got its own beauty. You can't really say this is really beautiful, because even me myself, when I was looking at Etsy, you can just scroll down and find thousands of different copper made stuffs in there, handmade things. It's just like you get confused by the beauty of all these products that it's been sold on Etsy. And other stuffs that we're selling right now is just one for now because it's like a trial. Obviously it's I've got a pair of them, let me show you. So it's literally like one of those Persian handmade stuffs, handmade shoes. You can see the design, it kind of resembles the Persian rug. This one is size 37. I think that would be size 3 in the UK. The leather is a vegan leather, and the fabric, as you see, it's just like it's amazing. It's very soft and also strong enough as a shoes. Also inside it, you can see it's made out of a very good quality sort of velvet. So it's like a very comfortable shoes. Everything about it is highly standard. But then, yeah, this is listed on our Etsy recently. We haven't sold it yet because we've got only one pair of it. So if you're interested, you can just have a look on our Etsy shop, which I've put the link down below in the description below. And the last thing I want to show you is going to be a bit more tricky because it's a big one. That is a handmade rug. I'm going to show you now what it is and how it is. So let's just move on to this beautiful rug that we're selling. Right. This is what we have on our Etsy. I've literally listed it maybe exactly the very first month when we started having our Etsy shop, but we haven't sold it yet. It's just because things like this wouldn't really sell that fast. You need to know that. So let me just explain this to you. This carpet, this rug is literally a silk wrap rug, and it's single knot. If I want to zoom it, you can see all the knots being taken once, not twice. So you can have the type of rugs that usually they might go like double knots, but this one is very delicate. It's very nice one. So when we say silk rug, means the whole wrap, where they put it, where they created the rug, it's all made out of silk. So you can see this is literally all silk, and you can see the back of the rug, really clean and nicely been made, and all the flowers and everything. So this is an Isfahan rug. I don't know if any of you might know it or not. So yeah, there are silk obviously in this rug. You can see these are all silk, white ones, these yellow ones, some part of it, the blue ones as well, it's all silk. The red ones are not silk, but literally quite a lot of the bits in this rug, when you see it, it's made out of silk. So my opinion, I'd say selling things like this would definitely take maybe years until you sell them, if your price is reasonable. Ours is well, obviously we got it quite expensive as well from the market, the rug market in Isfahan, so that's why the price might be a bit high. It's just because there's a reason behind it. These kind of rugs are obviously very special. They're silk wrap, so you can see how nicely it's been knitted, and also the style. Sometimes some styles could be very expensive as well. Special makers making these rugs. Right, so let's just go ahead with the video. Right, so as you saw, we are having not just this rug, we've got a few more. Obviously we haven't sold any of them yet. We used to have 2 rugs, we sold them on Amazon, but because mainly our business at that time was registered as beauty and cosmetics, so Amazon literally just removed all our handicrafts, and we no longer are supposed to sell handicrafts on Amazon. We were allowed only to sell cosmetics. And then obviously what I wanted to tell you is for each listing you're making on Etsy takes something about 20 cents in dollars, so I think in pound, I don't really know, you can just calculate it quickly right now because I don't have time right now to do it, but then yeah, literally like 20 cents for each listing you're making on Etsy. So we've got almost like 60 products listed on Etsy, and then when you calculate it, each 2 or 3 months, I presume, not sure, I think each 2 months you're paying that 20p for each listing. So make sure, if you think that you're not going to sell one product, just remove it from the listing, because you have to pay basically for that listing. Like for now, I think we're literally just paying around £12 or something, $12 to Etsy just for the listings. So make sure you know exactly what you're selling. I know that, and I've read and I've seen videos about people who are saying they're selling really good jewelries and some really small things, but then obviously what I've learned about Etsy is that you're selling, if you're going to have smaller products with fair amount, with a fair price, obviously they would sell much better. And products which could be more than £100, you can't really sell them that fast. So that's why we haven't sold any of these rugs yet on our Etsy shop. Right, so that was it. Just a very quick video about our Etsy shop and what you would sell better on Etsy. I will make more videos about how to sell on Etsy, and probably just explaining our experiences about selling on Etsy as well, just because we do business, so obviously I love to share my experiences on different platforms basically. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me that motivation to make more videos for you. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.